3. These are off tomorrow. And come here, 0-1. And with its second, Scudero at first, 2-2 in the 7th inning with 2 men down. Hendrickson sets and delivers. Ortiz hits. Ball 1 down and away. The rain is lightened a little. Slow track, though. Ball in his strike to Poppy. Up in a clean spot, and now he backs out of the box. Taps the bat on the plate. Hendrickson to the set. The 1-1. And it hit him. Oh, he got hit on the hand. He's hopping around. That hit him on the bottom hand, the right hand, and that could be dangerous. Here comes Terry Francona. Trainer Mike Reinhold out there talking to Ortiz, who was shaking the hand. Now he walks towards first base. Holding it, the right hand. That'll load him up. Now he went to turn. If he didn't turn, it would have hit the elbow pad, but he was in great pain. And nailed his hand. The bases are loaded for Youkilis, and Sam Wells not going to let him face Ortiz, or not going to let him face Youkilis with a 3-run homer off Hendrickson Friday night. He wants Matta. And Poppy's over by the first base coaching box. Got the glove on, and now he sort of pushes Reinhold away, plays the leg and says, I'm going out there to run.